Okay, so let me just call this a minus x equals b. Then minus x is b minus a by subtracting both sides by the additive inverse, right? Minus a. Okay, and then x will be just, you can actually multiply both this and this by negative. So minus b plus a. Okay, so this is a and this is b, so it's just negative, right? Negative of this is going to be negative 11, negative 3, plus 13, 15, 9 minus 8, plus this. Okay, so now let's just combine it. So this is negative 9, negative 2, 12, negative 15, 11, and negative 7.